The African Human and People's Rights Commission said the human rights abuse in Burundi is alarming. A 54-page report published by the commission said both the government and the opposition have been involved in killings and torture since President Nkurunziza's decision to claim a third term in office. The report also suggested a deployment of a military force on the ground to avoid further suffering of the people.
The major findings of the report is that there have been serious and massive violations of human rights that have been recurring on escalating scale during the course of the crisis since its beginning in April 2015 and until the conclusion of our mission to Bujumbura on the 13th of December 2015. So what we found is that wide range of rights guaranteed in the Constitution of Burundi and in the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, to which Burundi is a state party, have been violated. And these rights include the right to life, where extrajudicial and summary executions have been reported and registered, torture, inhuman and degrading treatment while in custody of various law enforcement agencies, disappearances, and quite a wide range of human rights violations. The government and the opposition side have been involved in the perpetration of various abuses and violations of human rights. Both sides have been. Of course, the government assumes greater responsibility for the simple reason that the government is not expected, the government institutions are not expected to take the law into their own hands. It will help if there is an African-led international presence on the ground through deployment of police units, for example, that would facilitate the building of security in particularly in the most affected areas of Bujumbura. About more than half a dozen districts in Bujumbura that have been most affected.